generate a complete YouTube script using free AI tools? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, open your browser. Now navigate to a free large language model like ChatGPT's free tier. Now you want to type in a prompt that outlines your video topic and desired structure. For example, write me a YouTube script on how to appear confident on camera. Be sure to mention the main hook points and call to action. Within seconds, the AI will return a draft you can copy into a text editor or Google Docs. Now you can refine your script by asking AI to shorten or expand specific parts or adjust the tone to match your channel style. Use prompts like make the hook more engaging or add a personal anecdote to boost viewer connection. If you need on-screen graphics or talking points, ask AI for bullet lists or visuals to match each segment. Once you're happy, review the draft, perform a quick spell check, and drop it to your teleprompter app or print it out. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.